You are all welcome once again to this channel. My name is Billy and you're watching Billy Snaps on YouTube. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and also hit on the bell icon for more wonderful updates like this. Be sure more subscribe and more share. And then a driving tour on this, and place. We're talking about the Brekuso. Yes, Brekuso Kitase Road. No, when we say this road is one of the mega roads that lead to Ebri into from Kwabinya, and you just take this route through Brekuso, Namakodro, Kitase, Naye Krona Etotaso. So we just wanted you to know how things have been, how things have gone so far, and you could see that they've tried their best. They are done with the gutters, as you can see. Now, rocks, they try their best to level, the grounds a little bit. But the only problem we're having now is that the dust is too much and they're not watering. That's what some of the community leaders were fighting, that they should always water the road so that the dust reduces. But they're not doing that. And you know that there's a lot of mansions. Yes, that's a railroad estate. It's even over there. They just launched it. I think 6-7 months ago, they just launched it. So if you want to buy a property, you can just go to Rabot Estate Development and you get just amazing offer for your home. So and we are having one of the biggest university in Africa, the biggest university in Ghana. We're talking about Ashasi University. Yes, I'm proud because my brother is one of the students there. So I really love that school so much. It's a dream come true to attend that Ashasi University. Right, so that's the road leading to Kitase and then also Brekuso. You can see that Brekuso is a tiny environment, and it has the population not much, but they are doing well in infrastructure and in also land surveying, construction, and also they are doing well in agriculture. We're talking about greenhouse. Most greenhouses are being marketed, and also most greenhouses are being held there. You could see, I'm going to get you a greenhouse tour. So you see, one of the biggest greenhouse is located on that mountain. So it's a nice environment. And what is the big problem right here? The government of Ghana, we're talking about the ex-government, J. got a good land, a big land for us, a vast land, to construct, an affordable house. But information reaching us that yes, the house has been abandoned. It has been abandoned. You could see, the weed smokers, the tramors, the prostitutes, and the homeless are in that building. That's some of the building you're just watching. Most of them have been abandoned. And just look at it. If in case the government uses a lot of money to construct, such buildings, and they're all left in the bush to just decay, thorough, they are doing thorough, decay. You can't, fix anything there. It's so bad. It's so bad, and we are not even close to even give this road a little bit of, an asphalt, or let me say a gravel, chippings, and it's so bad. I was having difficulties riding on it because the road is not that good. I'm using a motorbike to shoot, and at the same time, ride. It wasn't easy for me. I found it so difficult. So please, if you can help us to get, a wonderful, little, I don't know, Ashasi University, yes, Ashasi University, one of the biggest university that is ranked in Africa, and also in Ghana. And we're trying to go there, but we're not permitted. So, Kitase to Ebri Kwana, and I just want to go to our channel. So please, go to the channel and subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you want to see a lot of roads construction, a lot of content about building, yes, from next week going, I'm going to give you building contents. I can see that people want to buy a house, people want to build. We're going to places to get you building from beginning to the end, from foundation to footings, a lot. Please go there and stream the video right over here. So this is the Kitase Road. When you say Kitase Road, no, Eledia ko Ebri kind of so. Into where was my father? So if you come in, what's the name? Achimota, Uncle Fa Madina, no for Pepondabi. Nya fa kwabanya na brekusu kwan so a Kitase na ibirikwan no na just what yesim ehwa to a straight road and branch road straight road pa echo into share environment now amuye kria talk about cultivation farm we be farming so the coso and I saw one of the biggest was it poultry farm, but yeah, unfortunately for us we couldn't enter because we were supposed to write some letters to the heads before we can be allowed, but we didn't do that. We were just passing by, and when we saw it, we wanted to see how the whole place is. We weren't able to get it, and people were asking I should do farming content. It's true, I may do it, but it's going to be a little bit difficult because farming content I need to travel more to those places, and sometimes you wouldn't get the materials that you need for those content. So bear with me. I'll try and just get something out of it for you. So right away, Kitase, that's the road. Kitase road no. I want you to watch the video. They are done with some of the gutters. Some of the gutters normally we saw your old ones. They will renovate those old ones no.